Hello, tiny friends. Welcome back to TinyKeyHoleMinis. I'm Jolene, and today is the winner announcement day for all 7 giveaways for the 5K and the Temu giveaways. Before I get to the winners, I really want to thank everybody so much for all your support and just to let you know how much I really appreciate it all. And to everybody that has entered, I wished you all good luck. Google does this winner spinner wheel where it generates all the names for each separate giveaway and picks a winner. I thought that would be super fun if we could just do that together. The only day we will not be spinning the wheel is for day 1, the clay supplies, because when I went in to do a practice run to see how the wheel works, it picked a winner and I just could not disregard that winner. So I'm still going to honor that winner for day 1's giveaway. So the winner of day 1 clay supplies is Sandy Brault. You are the winner of day 1's clay supplies. Congratulations, Sandy. You don't have to do a thing. I will ship your clay supplies out to you. Now we're going to move on to day 2 and begin to spin the wheel from this point on. So let's see who the winner will be for day 2. Day 2's giveaway was the paint supplies. So let's see who's going to win this giveaway. Wanda Neely, you are day 2's winner. Congratulations, Wanda. I will ship your package out to you. Day 3's giveaway is my TinyKeyHoleMinis shelf kits and glue supplies. So let's see who the lucky winner will be. Mary Gatdula, you are day 3's winner. Sweet Mary, congratulations. I will ship your package out to you. Day 4 is the TinyKeyHoleMinis merch and one of my favorite kits, the Buenos kit. So let's see who the wheel picks for day 4's giveaway. The winner for day 4 is Cheryl Barlow. Congratulations, Cheryl. I will ship out your TinyKeyHoleMinis merch to you. Day 5 is a craft supply giveaway. So let's see who the wheel is going to pick for day 5's giveaway. Day 5's winner is Deb Fancy. Congratulations, Deb. I will ship your package out to you. I gave viewers a chance to win 2 giveaways from my last Temu haul. The first one is going to be the Detective Agency Kit. Let's see who the lucky winner will be. Elizabeth McGrath, you are the first winner of the Temu giveaway. You have won the Detective Agency Kit. Congratulations, Elizabeth. I will ship your kit to you. If the detective agency wasn't really your thing, I chose a second book Nook kit to give away. This is the Garden House kit. I love this kit so much. I love them both, but I really love this one too. It's full of detail. And as a reminder, if you are not the winner of this and would like to purchase this, I also listed a special discount price for just $1 underneath my Temu haul in the description box below if you would like to check out how you can receive this garden house booknet kit for just $1. There is a scannable barcode and you can just scan that. I'm not sure if you have to purchase something in order to get this for $1. I know Temu does do a limited purchase of either $15 or $20, but if you're shopping on the app anyways, you might want to check that out so that you might be able to get this for just $1. Just click the link in the description box below for that offer. So let's see who the lucky winner is for this oh so cute garden house booknet kit. Rochelle Chefman, you are the lucky winner of this garden house booknet kit. Congratulations, Rochelle. I will ship your kit out to you. Here are a reminder of all of the winners, tiny friends. Congratulations to everyone, and those of you that have not won, I love you all. I just want to thank you all for the tremendous amount of support that I have received from all of you and how much it really truly means to me. Thank you all so much for helping my channel grow and become what it is and what it will be. This was so much fun for me, and I hope this was fun for you all as well. Until next time, tiny friends, you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all on the mini side.